Imagine this. The oceans that cover more than 70% of our planet are now heating up at an alarming rate. And it's happening faster and more intensely than scientists ever anticipated. In 2023, the world witnessed marine heat waves so severe and widespread that they rewrote the record books, raising urgent concerns about the future of ocean ecosystems and human livelihoods. These extreme events stretched across nearly all of Earth's seas, lasting for hundreds of days and leaving destruction in their wake. But here's where it gets controversial. Could these heat waves be a sign that we've already pushed Earth's climate system to the brink? The marine heat waves, MHWs, observed in 2023 were nothing short of extraordinary. Not only did they surpass previous records in terms of strength, duration, and geographic reach, but they also painted a troubling picture of how interconnected and fragile our planet's systems truly are. For context, MHWs occur when ocean temperatures remain significantly higher than usual for extended periods. These episodes can wreak havoc on marine life, from bleaching vibrant coral reefs to disrupting food chains that countless species depend on. Economically, they spell trouble too, as fisheries and aquaculture industries face massive losses due to shifting fish populations and declining productivity. And while experts have long warned that human-caused climate change is fueling these events, the scale of what unfolded in 2023 has left even seasoned researchers stunned. So, what exactly happened in 2023? To put it simply, the world's oceans experienced a global wave of extremes unlike anything seen before. From the North Atlantic to the tropical Pacific, South Pacific, and beyond, vast swaths of water were gripped by intense heat waves. One particularly jaw-dropping example was the North Atlantic heat wave, which began in mid-2022 and persisted for an astonishing 525 days. Meanwhile, the Southwest Pacific saw its largest and longest-lasting heat wave on record, while the tropical Eastern Pacific warmed by as much as 1.63 degrees Celsius during the onset of El Niño. Collectively, these heat waves covered 96% of the planet's oceans, a staggering figure that underscores just how pervasive the problem has become. But why did these heat waves escalate to such unprecedented levels? To answer that question, researchers led by Tianyun Dong conducted a comprehensive study using advanced tools like satellite data and high-resolution ocean modeling from the ECCO2 project. Their findings revealed a complex web of regional factors contributing to the phenomenon. For instance, reduced cloud cover allowed more sunlight to penetrate the ocean surface, while weaker winds limited the mixing of cooler deep waters with warmer surface layers. Additionally, shifts in ocean currents played a role, further amplifying the warming effect. What makes this discovery especially concerning is the possibility that these changes signal a fundamental shift in how the ocean and atmosphere interact. Could this be an early warning sign of a tipping point in Earth's climate system? That's a question that keeps many scientists awake at night. And this is the part most people miss. The implications of these marine heat waves extend far beyond environmental concerns. For coastal communities that rely on fishing and tourism, the economic toll could be devastating. Coral reef ecosystems, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, provide critical habitat for marine life and protect shorelines from erosion. When these reefs bleach and die, entire ecosystems collapse, taking with them the livelihoods of millions of people worldwide. Moreover, the disruption of marine food chains threatens global food security, as billions of humans depend on seafood as a primary source of protein. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, climate change. While it's clear that rising greenhouse gas emissions are driving these marine heat waves, some argue that focusing solely on carbon reductions may not be enough. Others believe that geoengineering solutions, such as artificially cooling parts of the ocean, could offer temporary relief. But at what cost? These debates highlight the complexity of addressing a problem as vast and multifaceted as ocean warming. And perhaps the most pressing question remains, are we doing enough, fast enough, to prevent irreversible damage? As we look ahead, one thing is certain. Understanding and mitigating the impacts of marine heat waves will require global cooperation and innovative thinking. But the clock is ticking, and every fraction of a degree matters. So, we leave you with this thought-provoking question. Do you think humanity has the collective willpower to rise to the challenge? Or are we destined to watch as our oceans continue to boil? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.